Lesson 21, Phases of the Internet. A. What the Internet is. The Internet is an international computer network made of thousands of networks linked together. All these computers communicate with one another. They share data, resources, transfer information, etc. To do it, they need to use the same language or protocol, TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, and every computer is given an address or IP number. This number is the way to identify the computer on the internet. Getting started, connected. To use the internet, you basically need a computer, the right connection software, and a modem to connect your computer to a telephone line, and then access to an ISP internet service provider. The modem modulator converts a digital signal stored in the computer into an analog signal that can be transmitted over telephone line. There are two basic types: external, which a cable that is plugged into a computer by USB port, and internal, an expansion card inside the computer. A PC card model is a different, more versatile option for laptops and mobile phones. At first, most computers used a dial-up telephone connection that worked through the standard telephone line. Now, a broadband connection, a high data transmission rate internet connection has become more popular. Either ADSL, asymmetric digital subscriber line, which allows you to use the same telephone line, voice, and fast access to internet, or cable, offered by most TV cable providers. The basic equipment has changed dramatically, dramatically in in the last few years. You no longer need a computer to use the internet. Web TV provides email and access to the web via a normal TV set plug, a high-speed modem. More recently, three-generation mobile phones and PDAs, personal digital assistant, also allow you to go online with wireless connection without cables. Telephone lines are not essentials either. Satellites orbiting the Earth enable your computer to send and receive internet files. Finally, the power line internet still on the development provides access via a power plug. C. Components of the Internet. The Internet consists of many systems that offer different facilities to users. www, the World Wide Web, a collection of files, pages containing links to other documents on the net. It's by far the most popular system. Most internet services are now integrated on the web. Email or electronic mail for the exchange of messages are attached. File, mailing list, or listservs based on programs that sends messages or a certain topic to all the computers whose users have subscribed on the list. Chat and instant messaging. For real-time conversations, you type your messages on the keyboard. Internet telephone, a system that lets people make voice calls via the internet. Video conference, a system that allows the transmission of video and audio signal in real time so the participants can exchange data, talk, and see one On the other, File Transfer Protocol (FTP) used to transfer files between computers. Newsgroup, where people sent, read, and respond to public bulletin boards messages stored in a central computer. Telnet, a program that enables a computer to function as a terminal working from the remote computer and so use line database or library catalogs. Exercises 21.1. Read A and B opposite and decide if the sentences are true or false. If they are false, correct them. The Internet and the World Wide Web are synonymous. False. Number two, computer need false. www is the component of Internet. Number two, computer need to use the same protocol, TCP/IP, to communicate with each other. True. Number three, web TV can provide access to the net. True. Number four, ADSL and cable are two types of dial-up connections. False. They are two types of broadband connections. Number five, external, internal, and PC card are types of connections. False. They are types of modems. Number six, information can be sent through telephone lines, satellites, and power lines. True. The computer IP number is a way to identify it on the internet. True. 21.2. What internet system from C opposite should these people use? I, I like receiving daily updates and headlines from newspaper on my computer mailing list. I'm doing some research and need computer access to the university library. Telnet. Number three, I'd like to avoid flying to Japan and to attend a messaging, but I want to see what's going on there. Video conference. Number four, I want to read people option about environmental issues and express my views. News group. I have designed a web page and I want to transfer a data to my reserve web page, FTP. Number six, I'd like to check my students' draft essays and my computers and send them back with my suggestions email. I don't want to spend too much money on international phone calls, but I love hearing his voice. Internet telephone. Number eight, I live in a small village where there are no longer teenagers. I wish I had the chance to meet and chat with friends. Instant messaging. 21.3. Choose the correct alternative to complete this newspaper article. Sharing your broadband connection with your neighbor is is either the best way of making friends and the faster way to lose them. Thanks to a new European legislation, wireless technology, and the firm called my son several thousand within 300 meters of each other can now share the cost of fast broadband, but the more people using your network, the slower it gets. If your if four people are using the it at once, the surfing speed is 128 k. Cliff Maisbeck, chief executive of my song says, sharing broadband is just the start of the new generation of consumers-based internet services. It starts on July 25th. Then my song will start selling 150 starter kits. This include a Wi-Fi, wireless technology, point and ADSL 3G modem, but not the Wi-Fi adapter and you and your neighbor will need. This will cost an extra 60 or so far each computer longer on the wireless network, the mirror.